Hi, it's got Wessex Blades. Thanks for joining me again. Pretty cool today. So, delivery. Nice to see, because there have been a few who haven't. Okay, it's got a bladed article. Check that the recipient at the door looks to be over 18. Yes, I've had a few deliveries lately. They've just dropped in the post. A tick box on a website does not the recipient check. Does that make sense? The purchasing online, non-face-to-face, is one thing, but it's supposed to be delivered, handed over via postal service. Click and drop. I use the Royal Mail Post Office one, and I actually do age verification 48 hour, so it doesn't go to someone unless they're over 18. Nice to see. I think this is the Heinnie Haynes one. Makes no joke about it. It's bladed article, pointed article. I want that person to be checked at the door. So I'm going to open up the parcel. It's addressed to Wessex Blades, Wessex. Price was pretty good, so you should have a little folder. There should be a kit, because I'm dabbling with folders. Dabbling. Oh, exciting. Explicit reading materials. Receipt to describe how to do that. I think I did. So, box and a box. A free jiffy bag. Awesome. So, there is the kit knife, which I look forward to doing. And this, a bit posh, isn't it? Right up corner. I think I paid 18 quid for this. What's this? It's one of those magnetic. Pretty big. First look, here you go. Wasn't expecting that. This was like nearly a £30 knife, down to I think 18. And it's one of my favourite colours, which is a teal green. Static. Come on, £18. Got the R there for Rough Rider. It's like a jig bone effect on the side. So we've got that. We have to play. Okay, yeah, we'll give that a good one. So Ickle one. What's this? Oh, that's a beastie. Sort of angled at the top to save a bit of weight. Yep. Yeah, it cuts. That's the big ones of it. Just trying to orientate myself for the £18. Yep. There's a funny one there as well. Oh, I had that one already. Ah, there we go. So it's 4 blades. So I've done that one. That's the one that's new. Yeah. 4 blades. handsome. Brass. 80 quid. Oh my life. What I like is it looks like the two smaller ones are not nail nicks just. They've actually got a sort of ridge. The nail nicks are so deep you could almost see the top of the nut, like there's like a ridge there. It's odd. See inside? It's like sort of little ridges. Can't work it out. I like that blade, that little one. That'll cut, that'll work. That's bonkers. Wow. And then this, I think is a single blade folder kit. Got to be careful because the plastic's quite thin on these. So there's the sprung back, there's the lock bar, there's a tube, some loose sort of scales. Are they on there or are they? No, they're already bonded on. So the scales are actually bonded onto the linery bits. That's a bit of fun. I'm trying to get in with the folders. That's that done. So yeah, I've had this lying around for donkey's years. And when I cleaned and glued it, I thought the shaft of a cotton bud would just keep them in line, and then obviously if I trim and cut I could drill them out again afterwards rather than use brass, if that makes sense. So I've used cotton bud, which can be easily drilled through. So the paper sort of shaft. Yes, dabbling. I'll do that one and see if it's the bug it bites me. Interesting. But thanks for joining me again. I got a sweet little folder, and now I'm going to immerse myself in a Heinnie Haynes catalogue. Thanks for joining me again.